Can you stand perfectly still for 60 seconds? Chinese soldiers can stand for hours without even moving. But how? This is not ordinary training. This is a system where the mind controls the body. Every morning, before sunrise, soldiers stand in a straight line. No movement, no bending, not even a blink. Behind their collar, a hard object is placed, and sometimes even a small pin or sharp point is used, so that if they move even slightly, they feel it instantly. This is not punishment, it's a method to teach control. Here, strength is not just about muscles, it's about patience, control, and an iron will. For hours, they remain in the same position. Sweat drips, the body aches, but no one moves. Because there is one rule: he who controls himself can control anything. So now the question is, can you control your body and mind like this? Or will you just remain a spectator?